Hi friends, this is Tirupati Reddy, Faculty of Social Studies. Today I am dealing with small topic 10th class West Asian conflicts. Friends, conflict means between the two groups. The two groups are Arabs and Jews. Arabs are Muslims, Jews are Christians. So these both were conflicting each other in Palestine. Yeah, this is the Palestine, also called as Middle East. See here, Arabian Peninsula along with the coast of Mediterranean Sea, the Palestine located. The Palestine located here in Palestine, Arabs and Jews were concentrated. Actually, it is the original place of Arabs. You can see in the picture, this is exactly Palestine. See in first picture, Palestinians were in green color, Jews were in white color. Jews were very less in number. Palestine, almost all Palestine total covered with the Arabs only. You see last picture, Israel was created by the UNO. By that what happened? Jews were almost total Israel covered with Jews and these Arabs became refugees in their homeland. So what happened here? Why this conflict here in this Palestine? Actually, Palestine there were two groups. One is Arabs and Jews. Arabs are Muslim, Jews were Christians. Okay, but Arabs are at present they are settled here, inhabitants of this Palestine. But Jews were they believed that this is their homeland, this is their promised land. Once upon a time in ancient period, okay, in ancient period, the Jews were migrated from Palestine to across the world. So in the Europe, when Germany started killing these Jews, and there is a movement started, Zionist movement. What is the movement? Zionist movement started by the Jews. What is the Zionist movement here? They wanted united all the Jews across the world, and they need separate state that they are demanding in Palestine. That they are demanding in Palestine. When oil is discovered in Palestine, the world major blacks, US and USSR, came and they wanted to bring this Palestine under their influence. Under their influence. Meanwhile, these Jews are demanding for separate state. See here, when oil reserves came here, then UNO interfered, then they created two states. What are the two states here? One is for Jews, another one for Palestinians. Israel was created for Jews, remaining Palestine for Arabs. But Arabs are refusing. What UNO passed the resolution that Arabs are refusing separate state for Jews. But when anyhow by UNO Israel was created and policies followed by Israel was increased bitterness in between Arabs and Jews. But Arabs were forced to leave their homes and properties and leave their shelter and they recognized as refugees. See, first Jews were fought for their separate state. When UNO created, they followed such steps. They made Arabs as refugees in their homeland. Then what happened here? Egypt leader Abdul Gamal Nazar. He started a organization, Fidayins. Abdul Gamal Nazar started Fidayins. Fidayin means suicide squads. Fidayin means suicide squads. Suicide squads to attack Jews. And moreover, he wanted to unite all Arabs. He wanted to unite the all Arabs to attack Jews. Before that, in advance in the year 1956, Israel attacked the Egypt with the support of Western powers. So meanwhile the war is going on. USA and USSR both were demanded for ceasefire and stop. Ceasefire means stop the war. Then in the year 1967, Arabs attacked Israel. Then Israel attacked its friend Egypt. It supported country Egypt. Arabs attacked Israel. Israel attacked its supported country Egypt. By the total in Egypt, total the army was destroyed, air force was destroyed, and they attacked and occupied Gaza, Golan Heights, and West Bank in Egypt corner and west of this Palestine. By this, the another fellow, Yasser Arafat. Yasser Arafat started PLO, one of the Arab leader from Jordan in the year 1964. PLO was started by Yasser Arafat. What purpose? To attack the Jews, and he started terrorist activities against the Jews and its supported countries. And terrorist attacks means plane hijackings and holdings. The Israel Olympic squads and Munich Olympics were stopped. Many sports persons were killed in the year September 1972. And in this way, there were many hijacks and killings and terrorist attacks were started by this Palestine Liberation Organization, which was started in Jordan in the year 1964 by Yasser Arafat. By this, PLO started dividing into groups. It was unable to control. At last, the home country people only refused it, this PLO and its activities. By that, Yasser Arafat gave up terrorist activities and terrorism totally. Even though it was not stopped, it was spread all over the world by these terrorist activities. Many countries agreed to recognize at last PLO. So its president Arafat and Palestine was recognized, even though that Arafat was died in the year 2004. Even these Palestinians still now they are started here and then attacking these Jews. The problem still now not solved. Till now not solved. It is a burning problem, that is Middle East West Asian conflicts, which is between Arabs and Jews. So my dear friends, this is Mr. Yasser Arafat, who started PLO in Jordan in the year 1964. This is the PLO. See here, this is Egypt. See near to country, what is this? Palestine. See Egypt and Palestine near to each other. This is the Egypt, and here Yasser Arafat created PLO, Palestine Liberation Organization. Okay, he is Mr. Abdel Gamal Nasser. Abdel Gamal Nasser, Egypt president, who started Fidains, suicide squads. Who started suicide squads. These are the suicide squads like that, nothing but terrorist activities only. As Yasser Arafat and this will Abdul Gamal Nasser, both Muslim leaders, started terrorist activities as against to Jews. See, this is my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.